In this video, we'll show you how to group your data using the group by functionality in Titan Word Add-in. So let's say I've got a bunch of accounts here and I want to bring all the accounts but with their own types in their own table, and I want to group it by its own specific type. So a normal issue you'd run into is, let's say, you'd go ahead and create a table, for example, and it's coming from the object, let's say, account. And we bring back a bunch of stuff like account name, account type, we can do number here, and then we can do account type. And from here, I can do name, number, and then type. Just like that. And then let's say insert the table. And then we will do a quick query here to say account type is not empty. Alright, very simple query. Go ahead and run it. Click preview now. And as you can see, it's going to render very shortly that we've got loads of accounts with their own account types. Now I don't want to bring them all of them in one table. I want them in a separate table of their own with their own specific account type. So I want to see all the customer channels in one place, all the customer direct in one place, and so on. So in order to do that, you need to use the group by functionality. So you'll click on your table or even create a new one. Go to insert/edit table. And then at this point, what you want to do is this. You want to scroll down a little bit and you want to split table, and you want to split table by account type. And then you can insert a table header, just like that. And now you will just recreate the table, and as you can see, now you've got a table header. Alright, very, very cool. So what we're going to do is we're just going to make this look a bit pretty. And we're also going to move this towards the middle. It can come about there for now. I think we're good here. And I'm going to make this one a bit wider so it looks nice. And I think that will do for now. And then what I'll also do is I want to make the text look a bit pretty as well. So we'll do 14 there, and then we'll give it a border like that. So now if I preview this, you can see that we are pulling through all different account type. This is their type, these are all the accounts. This is their type, these are all the accounts. Again, the type and all the accounts. So basically grouping them really nicely and then bringing them back directly into Word Add-in. So that's the group by functionality. Now you can even go a step further with this, to be honest. So let's move this in the middle a little bit. Let's say I know I brought back all my accounts, but I also want to do a count. So again, you can go to the table like this, and then you can do insert add summary row. Okay, and then this can be formula, and you can do count, you can do sum, you can do product, average, min, max. I'll do count for now, and we'll save the table. Now you can see that a formula has been inserted, and I can just call it count. So just like that, I will go ahead and click preview. Now you can see that we're rendering the different account, and there's your records. So these are 10 count there. Again here, same thing, 10 records, 10 count there. 2 records, 2 count there. 2 records, 2 count there. 1 record, 1 count there, and so on. So that's how you group your data from Salesforce into the Word Add-in and bring it back into the document directly. And then from there on, you can even add a summary row to make it look more appealable, and a few other things in here. And that's how it's done.